Man, it's a stormy day today. What do we do?
We can read the greatest book of all time.
Books are for weenies. Only Minecraft! You know something that always happens with big storms like this? Tornado! 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 Let's get in the car! Let's go driving, boys! Wait a minute, you don't have a driver's license. You don't need a license to drive a snare drum. Turn on the radio! Alright, let's see what we got on here. Oh, yeah! Turn it up. That's the sound of a tornado siren. Woo! We're gonna see a tornado! We're gonna see a tornado! We're gonna see a tornado! We're gonna see it! Cut it out! For Christ's sake! Yo, the tornado's over there! That's nice. So, how far away is that tornado? Guys, Cameron, what is this? Tornado signature. 1 mile to our southwest. Traveling at 55 miles. Hit the gas! I'm in the gas! I hope you made the right decision. We're going 70 miles an hour on a highway. I'm positive this is the right decision. Go faster! I don't understand how this snare drum can go so fast. I think we got away from the tornado.